everybody!
Hi everybody!
We're going to plant seeds.
We're going to plant seeds.
So these seeds came from the Department of Agriculture. So everybody,
Hi everybody!
I'm going to plant seeds.
I'm going to plant seeds.
So we have squash, string beans, pomelo, this is eggplant, okra, and eggplant. And so we're going to put here the soil, and then we will let the seeds grow here and then transfer to the ground. So first we're going to put soil, but before that we're going to put gloves so that your hands will not be will not be dirty. Come on. Side 1, 2. You want mommy to help you? Okay, no gloves. It's okay. I will not use gloves.
Ayaw gloves, mommy.
Ayaw gloves. Mommy, get one ha. Borrow one.
Ayaw gloves, mommy.
Why?
Ayaw gloves.
You just wash your hands later, okay?
Okay.
Mommy will help you. One more. Ano pa dapat na? So, we should put pulverized soil. Go. Mommy help you. You put here, inside the egg tray.
Wait only, mommy.
Enough na, enough. Ay, good job. Enough.
Okay.
And then you sprinkle it. Okay, sit down. You sprinkle it with water.
Slowly. No, slowly.
Slowly only.
Slowly, Kim.
Slowly only.
Only.
Sige, go slowly. Sprinkle it with water. Okay. So now we're going to plant the eggplant seed. Eggplant seed. 1 seed only per tray. Or for whole, per butas.
For butas.
Yes. You plant this one, Shannon. Put there. 1 only, ha? Put there. 1. Put there 1. Where is it? Oh, you did not put it properly. Oh, you put it properly. Ano lang na siya? Okay. Oh! Where's the other one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put it everywhere. Put it everywhere.
Siling ko talong.
Unsa day ni? Unsa day ni? Asa ang talong? Asa day ang talong? Okra day ito? Asa na talong? Ito?
Ipik mo, ipik.
Oh, you remove. Remove again, remove. Wrong pala, wrong. This is the eggplant seeds. We will plant the eggplant seeds. This is our seed plant now. We will wait for this one to sprout. Then we will transplant it into the garden plot. Yay! Finish! Show them your seed plant. Show them. Say, this is my seed plant.
This is my seed plant.
Yay! Okay, finish.
Thank you.
After 4 days, ito na ang aming seed plant ni Shannon. Wow! Oh, di ba? That is the lemon.